Well, this is a good sign, isn't it? Customer car is home. I've even got a blue bus in it for the test driving that I'll be doing over the next day. Today we got in there, finished drilling out the exhaust stud on the passenger side. That was a bitch. And then we were able to get the exhaust on in less than an hour. It's pretty simple, really. There's 12 13mm nuts in the back, 6 on each muffler. There's then the center brace, which is held in with 4 13s. Then there's a bracket in the front that bolts the transmission with 2 13s. Nate's like, yep, I know all of these and could do them at 2 a.m. blindfolded, because we've done that. Not blindfolded, we're not into that. And then the header has, where it attaches at the headers, there's 4 on each side, 12mm nuts, 12mm bolts. We replaced most of that hardware. So everything's tight, no exhaust leaks, car sounds great, drives great, nice and quiet. That front end, we had a front end clunk in the front left. I think the links have corrected that. And I just wanted to get the blue bus rocking tonight. So we are in good shape. A couple little things I'm going to recommend. In fact, I already did recommend to the customer. We've got a bulb out. Miraculously, all the pixels work, but there's just a backlighting bulb out on the right side there behind the temperature. I can turn that ding off if he wants me to code that. And then it needs a rear view mirror. Not a new one, but just the rebuild service from radarmirror.com, if you can see the bubble in there. Typical stuff. Hey, it's the end of Wednesday. We're gonna have a short vlog today. It was just a crazy busy day, as the past 45 have been. When Kenan got home tonight, we made broccoli, some breadsticks, some pasta, some sauce, had a drink, ate dinner out back. It was a great night. We cleaned up and it's now like 10:45 or something like that, and it's time for bed. So tomorrow, we have a bit of diagnosis to do on Max's car. I went to go for a drive, just a quick bed the clutch in kind of drive after I filmed that last clip today. And it pretty much acts like the fuel pump is dead. The car cranks, you can tell the engine's turning over, the starter motor's fine, there's plenty of voltage, it just won't fire. So it's not getting fuel, the injectors aren't firing, it feels like a crank sensor. So we're gonna diagnose that tomorrow, we'll figure it out, it's nothing huge. Always something. So I will keep you updated with that, and we will talk on Thursday.